Alright, people, it's a rainy night in Chicago. It's supposed to rain most of the night. That's all this is. That's all this video is. Just driving through the rain, dealing with the rain, documenting, showing the rain. It's night, but it's not that late. It's only about 8:30 p.m. on a Sunday night, but it seems later. It seems like 11 or 12 midnight. Hard to. Visibility is poor. So driving is more risky. You've got to be more careful. There's fog on the window, but it is good that it is Sunday night, and so there are not that many people out here. Many people have to go to work in the morning, so they're at home.